Hello, this is Sharif or Just Nailed It, and this is Tuesday, April 7th, and we are doing our acrylic video of the week, my Docuseries, Learning Acrylics. This week, I am going to review and play with Modelones acrylic system kit that they have out. It's on Amazon. I will put a link and the price. I'll put the price down below. I'll put the link in the description box. Always check out my description box. If you order directly off Modelones.com, I do have a discount code for 10% off, so you can save yourself some coins on some products. I'll also be using a Modelones top coat. I didn't dig out my ones with the wooden caps. Sorry about that. I shoulda, woulda, coulda, shoulda. That's all I can say. I'm not feeling well. I've got a really bad sore throat, so bear with me, please. Let me get set up, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're ready to go. I've got everything out. I got my polymer, my monomer. It's clear. Modelones monomer is clear. Here's the bottle again. You can't see through it, so I didn't know, because it's a white bottle. I even dug out my Modelones brush. My Beetles brushes are just like this, too. This is a size 8. This is what I very first started with. Oh, my model. Gotta have my model. Where's Harley Marie? Seems she popped a form. So we're gonna pop the baby back on. Whoops. And hope that it stays. That's what we're gonna start with. It is so hard to swallow. Okay, I'm gonna burn my brush. Get all the air bubbles out. Make sure you do that before you start each time. There we go with our bead. Pat, pat, pat. Oh, my brush has got some loose hairs. Oh, I don't like this. Maybe I'm too dry. Check that out. We'll put some more on. There, much better. Much, much better. It's just with the clear, I always have a hard time seeing it, so we'll work with it. This means a little bit more filing on the sides for me. Going with our next bead. I have a hard time seeing too, so that makes it kind of worse. It makes it kind of worse. But oh, this monomer really stinks. I hate to say that Modelones, but it does. This monomer really does stink. I'm used to, the only monomer I've ever used before is Mia Secret, which is strong. This is I don't know how to describe it. This has a different smell, but it's very, very strong. Very, very strong. So keep your sidewalls in. Chuck it in there at the cuticles. Keep your brush wet. Your brush wet. Oh yeah, this is strong. Very, very strong. So not bad. Okay, we're gonna let that one dry. Oh my god, this monomer is really potent. And I can't breathe all that well. I'm a little stuffed, but this is strong. Whoops. I jerked at it. So re-wet my brush, go in for my bead. Got a runaway side over here. Trying to mess with my brush, and my sides were running away with me. This is not a quick, fast drying monomer, polymer kit set, whatever you want to call it. It gives you plenty of time to play with it, which is good. That's good in my book. Because I'm still new at this. I wish I would have remembered when I started doing this. I don't remember. I'll have to look it up because put it in the video or the description box someplace. I really wish I would remember when I started having an interest in practicing in acrylics. Everything seems to do around January. With gels, it was last January of 2019. Acrylics, I don't know. I think that was before January. I'm pretty sure it was. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so we're going to leave that to set. I wish I could leave this in real time. Where are we? Let me move this. I got a bubble up on my screen. We're 7.5 minutes. Ugh, I really want to leave things in real time, but I know this is not set yet. Oh, my bad. Pinch the form. I'm going to stay away from the middle finger because that's that's got to sit for a minute. Whoops. Those forms are really sticky. Really sticky. To give the middle finger some time to set, I'm going to take the pinky off. Let me pause here for a minute because I didn't grab my file or my buffer. Okay, I'm back. I've realized I've jumped ahead of myself. I want to encapsulate some glitter. So, I think I'm going to file the sides first before I get that done. I'm going to go over here so I'm not by my powders. I am heavy-handed with the file. I hate to say that, but I am. Whoops. Gotta figure out how to hold this and not file my own nails. And there goes the phone. Must be Instagram. To see the top, it's kind of smooth, but we're still gonna go in and give it a run over. Whoops. Oh yeah, that was my nail. Ooh, that hurt. That just got the edge of it. sorry, I needed a drink real bad. It's not the best filing job. Let me take the nail off and make myself hit. Oops. Got the new foam going, the old foam going. Oh, thank God. I thought I flipped it across the room. I really did. Yeah, I whacked my thumb with the brush real good too. For the file, I mean. Okay, get that out of the way. And this. I'm going to use here we go. This is called Lexi. I really like this mix. I got this from a very special little friend of mine. I think you pronounce her name Maya. I don't think it's Maya. I think it's Maya. So honey, if I'm wrong, please forgive me and don't get mad at me. So I'm going to take a different brush. Whoops. I'm going to burp that. Feather it back over the nail. I do want to put a lot more glitter on this here though. This is just such a beautiful, beautiful mix. Whoops, don't want it up on the finger though. Whoops, that's real brilliant. I'm glad you couldn't see what I just did. It was such a blonde thing and not paying attention. I'm really sorry. We got a star hanging here. Oh, I want the star on here too. I think now it's going to need a lot more filing than I'm prepared to do right now. Let me check this out. We've got a good apex, but let me see. On this side here, I think I need a little bit more. Oh, it's way bigger with me than I wanted. So let me wipe part of that off. Feather this back a little bit. What do you think? I think that's beautiful. She did a great job with this mix. I'm gonna have to let this sit here now. I'm going to pause. My throat needs a little bit of a break, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. Because of time, and I don't like a really lengthy video because it don't seem like people watch them in full, I went ahead, sorry, excuse me, and did the filing off camera. I'm going to top coat now. Oh yeah, look at the glitter come out. Oh, I should have picked a different one. That was almost gone. Look at that. It's just beautiful. I love this mix. She did a great job. Thank you, honey. I will leave a link to her channel down below. She also has an Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the lamp for 30 seconds. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? And it's just a beautiful mix. So I'm going to pop that in. My thoughts. The monomer, it's very potent smelling. Very different than Me a Secret. The powder, love, love, love. They work great together. I can't say they don't. My only gripe would be the smell. So overall, that's not too bad. I did take the liberty before filming my own video, going and watching a few on YouTube here of other ladies in the nail community that's done reviews. I'm not going to say who they are. One lady did it, the first one I watched, and oh, that's just beautiful. She loved it. And she's very highly thought of in the nail community. I've had other nail sisters that I know hated this system like there was no tomorrow. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up because they do work great together. I can't say that they don't. It was just the smell of the liquid monomer. Excuse me. But I think the nail turned out great. It's a little thick for my liking, but I think it looks beautiful. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the mix. Let me find it again. Here it is. It's called Lexi. And this is a beautiful, beautiful mix. She did a great job on it. I love the nail. I don't think I did that bad of a job. I mean, it's a little thick, but whatever. It is what it is. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on the mix, the nail, how I did, the Model 1s, if you've ever tried it. If you haven't, would you consider? And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. I am trying to hit my 800 mark. I do have a giveaway going for it, where I have 3 She Modern gift cards available. 1 international is out of my pocket. The other 2 for USA are sponsored by She Modern. They are for anything on the website, not just decals. You could buy anything you want. So I'll find that video, check it out. I'll even maybe link it at the end here. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.